Why do you hate her? You know, it was the Greeks who started it. 4th century BCE. First experiment on animals, at least documented. Pigs and goat. You know how many animals are used for testing in a year? More than 100 million. Human beings doing this to so many other species. That's impressive. Medical research on chimpanzees was pretty much banned in 2015. I mean, they said exceptions could be made if the research was proven to be critical to understanding human disease and if a sizable donation was made to support the conservation of wild chimps. Your dad is a force of nature, isn't he? Why do you hate her? I mean, on paper, you should be allies. The bastard daughters of Roderick Usher. What an alliance you could have made. 90% of drugs fail in human trials, even though they pass pre-medical tests. So, sorry, animals. And what about this stuff? That has nothing to do with health. I mean, you lot can make a lipstick white, dandruff shampoo without making something suffer. I love how deliciously, pointlessly mean you lot can be. And you could too. You pick the worst job to hide your true nature. You clean up dirt for a living. Victorian, on the other hand, she picked better. She is Mother Teresa as far as they know, saving humanity one precious heart at a time. On the inside, though, you two are the most alike. You hate her because she ate it better. You're right. You know, she lies. She pumps us full of adrenaline to make it look like it works. Still didn't need to come here, though. Could have happened quiet, peaceful, in bed. But I guess it's gotta happen like this. I'm sorry. It's not personal. It wasn't with your brother either. It's just... well, here we are.